Nobody loves me.
I got my play button. Nice. So obviously this is a very different video for this channel. I'm gonna basically do an unboxing video. I do not do unboxing videos, but this is for my silver play button. And for those of you who don't know, it's YouTube gives out awards to people when they get to certain milestones. You get the silver play button at 100,000 subscribers, you get the gold play button at 1 million, and there's a diamond one for 10 million, and those are very rare. But I passed the 100,000 mark about a couple months ago, I guess in February, and now it's here. I finally got it, and I wanted to share it with you guys because you are the reason why I'm here, and I appreciate it. And for those who want to see it, here you go. For those who don't, there's always a next video, so you can enjoy that. So I got a little camera over here, hello, and I'm going to open this bad boy up. Let's see what's inside. I'm excited. So. Now, I know they recently changed their play button. It used to actually be a button in sort of a shadow box, and now they've changed it to where it's like more of like a plaque that still has a silver button in the middle of it. And I don't know if this one is going to be the old one or the new one. I guess I'm about to find out. So, oh, you got a little foam in there. Let's see if I can take this whole thing out. Cool. All right, I'm gonna make the reveal as long as possible. And okay, foam. And there's a lovely little letter in here. You've done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. Astonishing! We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind that 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created. They were inspired, challenged, or entertained. You've achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and probably a healthy sense of humor. Me? Yeah. What you've accomplished can't be taken away from you, and we'd like to recognize you and all your hard work with the Silver Creator Award, a small token of our esteem and respect. Before I reveal this, I just want to say, like, what they said there about, like, it's easy to get, you know, jacked up over the numbers, and then you kind of forget that each one of those is a human being that's fully fleshed out and living out a life is just like everybody else. That's something that occurs to me every once in a while, because you do just get locked into metrics, and especially now that I'm, you know, making a living doing this, I got to worry about revenue and all that. So I mean, you know, you get kind of tied up in all that, and every once in a while it does hit me. I kind of step back and I look at that number and I realize that's 170,000 people, like actual people. It's just amazing that there's that many people out there that share the kind of interests that I do. And they share that with each other. And each one of those people is an individual person. Who you watching this right now, you are an individual person watching this. And there's 170,000 other people just like you. So let's see this bad boy. Yeah, that's the new one. Oh, slides out. And the desiccant. So let me take the plastic off. I don't want to get like fingerprints on it or anything. Ooh, it's reflective. I can see myself in it. So yeah, that's what it is right there. Presented to Answers with Joe for passing 100,000 subscribers. This doesn't come with a stand or anything, but I was going to put it right back here because I got a little empty spot. I actually had to use my last number of Cankerboy boxes that were sitting back here. I'd run out. Back there somewhere. That's kind of nice. I'll play with it. Anyway, once again, I just want to say thank you to all of you who have been supporting me and giving me these wonderful comments and emails and reaching out on social media. Your thoughts and ideas about topics are amazing. I know I've said this before, but I have learned at least as much from you guys as you have from me. And just the way everybody has sort of embraced what I do here and let me know that it's worth doing and that they appreciate it. You know, I did this for 2 whole years and never made a dime, and the only reason I did it was because of people like you who were saying things like that. So if you're watching this video, you probably care enough to be one of those people that help drive this whole thing forward. So I share this with you, and yeah, we'll see. Maybe in the next couple of years we got a gold one coming our way. Thanks again, you guys. Love you, and I'll see you next time.